Good morning Internet, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Black Country Biker and this is the Carpuride 702BS.
The Black Country Biker.
The nice people at Carpuride have sent me another product to test and review, and it will be an honest review as it was before. This is the 702BS, which works with the Whiz wheel or the Wonder wheel on your BMW. It'll fit straight into the cradle, and as with all Carpuride products, it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto friendly, so it'll work with your smartphone, but this one only works with the Whiz wheel, and it has also got touchscreen as well. As you can see from the box, it's got the same functionality and a little bit more than the 702B Pro that we tested earlier this year. Again, it is IP67, waterproof, dustproof, SD card functionality if you want to use one, voice controls, play your music through it. It's Bluetooth to your phone, so it's like a smart tablet, if you like, same as before. There will be a 30% discount as usual through my channel with Carpuride. The discount code is Black Country Biker 30, that's 30, will get you 30% off. If you use a link in the video, that should populate that code for you as you get to checkout. There'll be a box underneath where it says checkout. Black Country Biker 30 should be in there and your discount should already be applied. If not, just type it in and you'll get your 30% off. Okay, let's unbox it, let's get into it, and we'll go through what it can do. We'll stick it on the bike as before and we'll go out and have a test ride. Great stuff. Okay, so we'll have a quick look at the box. Let's get it unwrapped. Use my finger. Let's get rid of that. As before, it's packaged nice. Nice bit of foam. There it is. Let's get this out. Okay, so yeah, there's the unit itself. Let's have a look. It's got the sun visor on as before, and there you are. That goes straight into the BMW cradle. There's your on-off button. There's your on-off button. That's for your SD card should you wish to put one in, so you can get your own logos come up, put your own music on, photographs, because again, it is like a TV screen, so you can put on there what you wish. Same build as the last one, however this one has just got the full BMW cradle for it to plug into, unlike the 702B Pro, which had the RAM mount fitted into back with this on it. This will go straight in, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, it's quite heavy as before. Build quality seems pretty good. Yeah, that's got some weight to it, that has. So let's get it on the bike and let's see what it does. Let's see what else is in the box. Yeah, before we had three different charging methods with this one. Like I say, it runs from the power straight off the bike. We've got the instructions. I'd normally do the manly thing and throw this away, but I'm not going to. I would say it's going to be very similar to the last one, the connection and when it's actually on the bike itself. However, this one should work with the Whiz wheel or the Wonder wheel, as you call it, on the BMW. But it's also touchscreen as well. Yeah, there we are, look. That tells us how we'd use the Whiz wheel. So yeah, excited. I'll get it on the bike and we'll have a look at it. Okay, we're outside. Let's get this on the bike. As I say, it should plug straight in. There's the cradle. There's the fitment. one-handed, lock it off. Okay, right, let's power the bike on and let's see what we get. Hopefully it should come straight on. There we are. I need to connect the phone to it. Wow, that's an impressive screen. Okay, I would say as before, right, yeah, I need to connect to the unit itself. I think it's already done it. I think my phone has come up. Let me just have a look. Carpuride. Same passcode. So yeah, we shall pair that. Allow my phone book. Connect. Low voltage. Okay, right, there we are. We're on. So it's took me straight to my Waze app. Fantastic. Same as before. You can put on what you like if it's compatible. Got me WhatsApp messages, Waze, Spotify, radar, Google Maps. Then we have got CarPlay Home. So this will take us to our barometer and compass. I need to calibrate it as before. So let's change that. We're 0.03 miles above sea level. I think we're a little bit higher than that where we are. Okay, so yeah, that needs calibrating. Figure of 8, like an iPhone compass. There's your PSI, your pressures, height. We can change that to whatever that means on the barometric pressure. Feet, meters, miles. Okay, so let's get to the auto ambient lighting. Let's turn that off. So if I put that down there and then we put it back onto auto ambient, it should pick up on the ambient lighting. It says me, yeah, there you go, it's changing on its own. It's going to get to where it needs to be. Excellent. Okay, as before, we also have graphic equalizer, standard, classic. You can move these up and down as well, finger touch. So you've got about 7 or 8 different settings on that. We'll go back to where were we before? Oh, electric is going through the lot now. Jazz, rock. We'll stay on rock. I like a bit of rock. We can reset it back to its settings. There's your loudness. Okay, right. There's your media volume, up and down. There's your voice volumes. Okay, let's come out of there. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, changes the background, this does. See the background changing? Okay, let's go back to the main screen. Again, we can change settings. There's your general, there's your Wi-Fi, there's your Bluetooth. I'm in English. There's your system version. It's exactly the same as the 702B Pro, but this is this works with the Whiz wheel now. Let's zoom out of there a little bit. Let's come down and then look at the TFT. Let's zoom back in. TFT. Now I should press up and hold 5 seconds. There we are. Now I can work this with the Whiz wheel. That's it. I'm using the Whiz wheel now, the Wonder Wheel. Right, as you can see, highlighted phone. If I turn the Whiz wheel down, it goes to maps. Let's zoom in a little bit for you so you can see. If I turn the Whiz wheel down again, it should go to messages. There we are, now playing. Car home, you see it highlights it black. Audio book should be next. There we are. Calendar, settings, audible, Calimoto, turn it down again. We're on to Google Maps. My radar, Spotify. Now if I click to the right on that, it'll load all my music. That's on the Whiz wheel. I'm using the Wonder Wheel now. So I'll click back left, that should bring me all the way back out. Likewise, we can just do this with your finger if you need to, but this is fully compatible with the Wonder Wheel, with the Whiz wheel. Okay, we're back to the main screen. Now, from what I understand, if I start the bike, it's going to be a bit noisy though, but we'll do it anyway. There's your revs. There's your voltage on your battery. Bar pressures will come on in a minute like they do on the bike. It takes a couple of minutes for the bike to register your air pressure in your tyres, and likewise on this. Front brake, back brake. It's showing that we're working on the nav. Okay, as you can see, it's all working on the bike, lovely. You can see that maps is highlighted. I will turn the wheel down to go to messages. There we are, now playing, car home, audio books, calendar, settings, audible, Calimoto. Let's go to the next screen by turning the whiz wheel down. And there we are, that's just changed. If I push it back up, it changed the screen. So there's Google Maps. There we are. Let's get to Spotify. If I right click on the whiz wheel, that has opened up my Spotify. If I click left on the whiz wheel, it takes me back out. Click right, and then we're back in. And then I can move the cursor by turning the whiz wheel up and down, left away from me and back towards me. Recently played. Let's right click on that. Let's see what we've got. Okay. So let's play that, see what we've got. Okay. Shuffle play. And now that music is playing in my through my cardo into my helmet. Hopefully you can't hear it, I don't want to get copyrighted. So let's come out of there. It's also, as I say, it's also, you can use your hands. I'll put the gloves on and show you that you can use your gloves as well. So it is a touch screen as well as used by the Wonder Wheel, the Whiz Wheel, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just put my gloves on, swipe across, and there we are. So yeah, it's all working as it should. Let's go and have a play. We're going to get some fuel because we're going out tomorrow for a nice ride to the seaside. So okay, I'm looking at the nav, the Carpuride navigator. Let's go back across to where we need to get. Save me swiping the screen. Let's get on to Waze, open the map, right click on the Wonder Wheel, and there we are. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the phone. You can see it highlighted black. I'm on the TFT, so to get onto the nav, onto the Carpuride, I need to press and hold the menu button upwards. 2 seconds, and there we're controlling the nav. So let's get off phone and get to turn the wheel towards me, Carpuride home. Let's get on there. iPlay. Audio output. So I am an iPlay Auto. You can go through BT Trans as well, but I'll stick to iPlay Auto because that's what I prefer. Now I can tell it to call people through the cardo. So if I do that now, call Betty Boo. It will now call Betty Boo. Hi sweetheart, you hear me? Okay, yeah I can hear you fine. That's alright, that was just for the video. Alright sweetheart. Okay, bye. Bye. And there we are back to the Waze app.
It's really good. When I disconnect, it will just reconnect automatically. And that's it. It's more or less the same as the 702B Pro. I'd say this one is called the 702BS, and it does work with the BMW Wonder Wheel. Really easy to use. And like the 702B Pro, I'm really impressed with it. I can see the screen fine. It's got all the same settings. You've got your graphic equaliser, you've got your telephone, you've got your compass, you've got your barometer pressure, the air pressure if you need that. All your different apps. Got your phone book on there, listen to your music. All done through the Wonder Wheel on the bike. To get out of the nav, back to the TFT, all I do is press down on the menu button on the bike. One little click and I'm back to TFT. Now I'm controlling the TFT screen. So, as you can see, I'm controlling the TFT screen. I'll come back out of that. I'll press and hold the menu button again and TFT will jump to nav like it does on your nav 4, 5, 6 or connected ride. So I'll press and hold that now. 2 seconds and now I'm back controlling the Carpuride navigator. Okay, this is the home screen. If I indicate, indication should come up on there you see it on the screen. It's indicating right, indicating left. There's all the revs. There's the lean angle, front back brake. There's your water temperature. There's your volts in your battery. There's the pressures in the tyre on bar. Everything's good. Okay, like I say, if you're interested, I will put a link down in the description. If you click that, it should populate the discount code box with the discount code, which is Black Country Biker 30. That is 30, not the word. If it doesn't, when you get to checkout on any of the navigation systems, type in that box Black Country Biker 30, and it will give you 30% off whatever the price is at that time. Okay, this has been the Black Country Biker. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one.
Black Country Biker.